Afternoon, Josh here with Brute Force Distributing. Here today we're going to take a look at this custom 2424 design machine. This machine features customized splitters, a dual setup on the rear. So this machine, the customer requested that he wanted to be able to cut and split with one operator, and that operator would be able to cut and get a pile of wood in this infeed tray to the splitters. He'd also be able to keep the log deck loaded and help do any sorting back here if needed. The two guys back here are going to be doing all the resplitting for his custom splitting operation. And these splitters feature a 1 1/4 second cycle time. They are super fast. This machine also has a 20-foot standard built on one-piece swiveling and hydraulically raised conveyor. This machine also features our 4 hydraulic outriggers, one on each corner. It allows you to level the machine, and it also allows you to adjust the height of the splitters. As you can see, our customizations are endless. If you can dream it, we can build it. Give us a call today or check out our website.